Martin, what is an ERN?
An ERN is a unique identification number which will be allocated to any business that employs staff. It stands for Employer's Registration Number.
Why is an insurance company asking for it?
Well, legislation is going to actually make it compulsory that insurers will have to capture the ERN number from anyone it chooses to insure. The reason being, it goes onto a database which then makes it easier in the future for any employee who's been employed at any point in their career to track down who their insurer was at any given time. The ERN number, once it has been captured, is held on a secure database where it's only accessible to authorised persons. It's not authorised to the public.
What's the information used for?
The information from an ERN is used to track down exactly who an employee's insurer was at any given time should they make a claim in the future.
And where will a business find the ERN number?
There's various places a business can find the ERN number. It can be on anything from HMRC, it can be on P45 slips, wage slips, etc. It can also be referred to as a PAYE reference number. So anything from HMRC should carry the reference number required.
What else will a business be asked to provide?
Other than the reference number, they shouldn't really be asking for anything other than the identification number you've been provided with. The only exception to that would be if you actually run two companies, in which case you would have a unique number for both companies.
What happens if a business doesn't provide it?
The legislation does require that the insurers do capture that unique number. So if a client is unable to or unwilling to provide that number, then the insurers are within their right to refuse to cover your business and insure you.
And what benefits will the new system bring to employees?
The benefit of the new system will mean that any employee has the future peace of mind that if they were to make a claim in the future for perhaps maybe a claim that happens 10 years in the past, for instance an asbestos claim, which may not come to light for many, many years before there's a problem arises, it means that they can track down who their insurer was and make the claim go instantly, smoothly, without any wasting time searching databases for numbers that don't exist anymore, insurers that may not exist anymore as well.
And what if a company has more than one ERN?
Again, the only time an insurer would have more than one ERN, as I mentioned, it is a unique identification number, is if they have subsidiary companies or other businesses, in which case each one of those companies will have a different number.